What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I've been away for like 5 months not making videos for two reasons. One, there's been a pandemic going on, and two, I lost my GoPro and I had to buy another one. As you can tell, the quality is probably a little bit better on this video. That's because I have a GoPro 7 now, so had to save up a little bit to finally pull the trigger on this one. Anyways, we're back making videos again. The car is good. The 335 that I built, not physically built, but you know, took apart, put a new engine in it, new turbos, things like that, is good, running good. So that's a plus. And I picked up a new car, and I'm getting rid of a car, so I'm gonna reveal that shortly. So yeah, that car used to be my daily. Used to be, still kind of is, not really, because my car that's over there, the 335, is now my daily because I have it registered. And yeah, I'm enjoying the car and everything because, you know, put it back together for a reason. I'm gonna get rid of this car though. This car is gonna go to a friend of mine. He's gonna daily it because his Ford Focus that we were doing a trans swap on, he was doing a DCT to a manual swap for a good reason. Those Focuses came with bad transmissions, so he just wanted to change it, and so we did. And there's an issue that we're having trouble with, but we'll fix it. Anyways, I'm walking to the car that I put back together so you guys can see it a little bit, and a little update on me and the car. Here she is. She's running good, pulling strong, and yeah, I've been enjoying it for the past 5 months. Try not to drive it a lot though, because I don't want to anyways, I'm gonna reveal to you guys the new car that I got for the channel, because it's for you guys. I wanna you know, put out content for you guys so you guys can enjoy. Some more driving content coming soon with the 335i, so stay tuned for that. But without any further ado, here goes the new car. So yeah, there it is, guys. What do you guys think? Little Miata with some nice wheels. She's a little bit rough. I am gonna have to clean her up, but I got a good deal on it, so I just had to. Leaking oil, one of the few things I have to fix, but I know it's gonna turn out good, and it's gonna provide a lot of joy and a lot of good content too, because this thing's definitely going to be hitting the track for sure. It actually came with TN coilovers already, so that alone justified the buy. Anyways, check it out. Like I said, she's a little bit rough, but for the most part, it's in good running condition. I got a Miata. I actually had a Miata before, black one, with a tan interior, just like this one. Can't go wrong with that tan interior, honestly. It's honestly really good. This one has 87,000 miles. And that's also one of the good reasons why I got this one. The only really bad thing about this car is the paint. As you can see, it's a little bit faded in certain areas. Here, if you see, it just has a like mold that you can buff out, but there's a couple of spots here where the clear coat just got destroyed by this Florida sun. There, and then here, as you can see. But we'll try to make the best of it. It's definitely a fun little car, low miles, very clean interior, tan interior too. The top has to get replaced though, because the glass is just, it became a part. It didn't become a part, it just fell off of the convertible mechanism. So this is what the top looks like without the glass. As you can see, there should be a glass there that stops water from coming in. Well, unfortunately, it rotten. I don't know, probably the previous owner let it sit too long. And that also affected the trunk. So here in the trunk, I don't know if you could tell, but there's water, there's a little puddle right there. And yeah, basically the water seeped through the sides there somewhere because of the top. So it's definitely gonna have to get replaced. All of this is pretty much soaked. I don't know if you can tell, but it's basically trash. I mean, probably gonna have to replace most of these parts. But those are my plans with this car. I'm gonna restore it the best that my wallet can handle and hopefully just enjoy it, you know. But yeah. Oh, I'll show you guys under the hood. It's got a slight oil leak as well, but I'm pretty sure that's the valve cover. Besides that, the engine runs strong, like absolutely no issues. Where's that thing at? So yeah, here, check it out. It's a bit dirty too. So that's the oil. I'm pretty sure I have to change the seal back there as well. I'm also gonna do the valve cover, clean this engine bay up a little bit, a lot actually, because it's a bit dirty. The car's been sitting, but engine runs good, which is what really matters. The body's not rusted, another important factor. So we're gonna try and make the best of this one. It's a fun little car, that I can assure you. And it's got the teen coilovers, which are definitely a plus. Nice little wheels that came along with the car. It's a good car, it's a fun car. We're gonna enjoy it, us, all of us, you guys watching. I think it's gonna be a good one. After we're done with it, you know, drop 10K overnight parts from Japan. I think we can make it into a 10-second car. Nah, probably not. That's not the plan. Just gonna try to restore it, keep it how it is, stock, or stock-ish, because it's already got a coilovers and some wheels. I just want to get it to look good and just basically look good, because the car is a Miata. I mean, take this thing on the track and you're basically keeping up with most of the cars out there, believe it or not. But yeah, stay tuned for a pretty dope restoration project. And now we're gonna also get some 335 pulls and races in Mexico, of course, you know, because I gotta stay safe. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like it, and show some love. Peace out from your certified Mexican.